Hello guys, how are you doing? So I'm filming in a little bit of a different setup. When I was cleaning yesterday, I found a different tripod, so it's kind of closer to me. You guys have to let me know what you think. Is this better, worse than before, same, doesn't matter? I don't know. Whatever you think, let me know below in the comments. But anyways, I'm super excited. Today I got 4 packages in the mail, and one of them was my December Birchbox. And usually I feel like this comes like a little bit later in the month. Today is the 8th, so I'm super excited. This is what the box looks like. Super cute. I really like it. If you're unfamiliar with what Birchbox is, it is a monthly beauty subscription. You get samples and beauty, so like makeup, skincare, hair care, all of that. When you sign up, you can build a beauty profile and let them know your wants and needs and your personal preferences, so it'll be a little bit customized to you. It is $10 a month normally. I do have a link to share with you all below. If you are interested and not yet subscribed, you can get it for $8 a month for your first 3 months. It's also a great gift idea. I've actually gifted a friend Birchbox in the past. I think it's awesome and it's affordable too. So yeah, I will leave that down below. And also I will leave my giveaway link down below. If you have not yet entered, I have a giveaway going on through the 14th, so go and check that out. But anyways, let's get unboxing. I'm super excited. I love Birchbox. If you've been watching my videos, you probably already know this, but Birchbox was my very first subscription box. So I've been subscribed for over 6 years. I honestly think Birchbox is kind of like the original subscription box. Correct me if I'm wrong, but it was seriously one of the first at least. All right, well, I'm gonna quit rambling and let's get unboxing. So when you open it up, this is what I see. I kind of like how the camera is so much more close to me. I feel like I can show you guys things a little bit easier, hopefully. Hopefully it's coming through in camera. But on top, there's a $10 off your next order. A small thanks for being a subscriber. Treat yourself to $10 off your next $50 plus shop order. Awesome. It says use code SAVE10 at checkout. And this is good through the 31st of January. It's so crazy. I almost was gonna say November when I started unboxing this, but nope, it is December. All right, and then I see another piece of paper, so the normal piece of paper that comes inside. It says, what's meant to be will find a way. Here's to reflecting on an amazing year behind us, looking to the fresh start ahead, and always remembering there's even greater plans for you lined up in the stars. That's cute. I think this box is super cute this month. Like, together, it's very holiday-like, but like not too like Christmas specific, you know, just holiday and like cheerful. But anyways, on the back of this, it has all of the items along with their full size cost. So typically you get 5 things in your Birchbox, and that is what I have today. And when you are a subscriber, you'll get an email like at the end of the previous month, and it'll ask you if you want to pick a select sample. So it'll give you a choice of like 3 or 4 samples, and you can choose one. Or you can choose a curated box, so you can know all 5 of the samples coming to you, or you can have it be a complete surprise, and that is what I did this month. All right, so the first thing I see is this. This is by Beach Waver Co. Great Barrier Heat Protectant Hairspray. Awesome, I need more stuff like this. I'm finally starting to do my hair more. You can't tell today, it's Saturday, I just have it up, you know, casual day, okay? But I have been trying to style my hair a little bit more. You probably can't tell, but to me, I've been actually like using a blow dryer and even like some hair tools. So I definitely need more of this kind of thing because I don't want to damage my hair. So it says, shake well, hold 10 to 12 inches away from dry hair and spray evenly. And it says free of negative energy, and then lists all the bad stuff it's free of. So there's no parabens, formaldehyde, sulfates, it's vegan, cruelty-free, phthalate-free, and it's recyclable bottle. So that's awesome. And this is a pretty good size, so you can get a good feel of what you think about it. And if you want to get the full size of this one, it is $28. And I'm just going to read the description it has here on the card. It says, this high-tech hairspray does it all. It strengthens strands, offers flexible hold, and defends hair against damage from heat styling and environmental factors. So awesome, I'm excited about this. It's a good size too. Next up is a lip scrub by Wish. So I've been trying out a lip scrub and I just do not like it. It doesn't really have that like scrub aspect to it. I think I got it in I don't know, a previous beauty box, maybe Sephora Play, I'm not sure, but it was a Laura Mercier lip scrub, and it's supposed to be like a sugar scrub, and I just can't feel any of the sugar. Maybe it's like down in the container, I don't know. So I'm excited to try something else because my lips need it. Even though it's not too cold and dry in Florida, I'm still noticing the effects of the changing season. So it says this is in the scent vanilla, and it gently exfoliates, smooths, and softens. And it's small, but this is a good size for a lip scrub because you really don't need much, so this can last a while. Because the other one I have is a sample and I barely use any of it. So the full size of this is $20, and the description says, swipe this Birchbox exclusive scrub all over your lips to slough off dead skin cells and smooth, dry, or chapped lips. So awesome, I'm excited to try that out because I definitely need it. I've been noticing like the dry patches and like just doesn't look too good when I apply lipstick these days. Right, the next thing I see is by Manna, and this is the Miracle Balm. It says step 1. I've gotten things from this brand before in the past, and they always have this step there. So if you are really into this brand, that's really nice. If you use all their products, it has steps lined out for you. You don't really have to think too much, it's all there. But this says it is a full-size value of $19. It's a sheer velvety balm that nourishes skin with a blend of argan oil, vitamin A, vitamin E. Dab it onto lips, cuticles, or any other dry spot. Okay, so this is like a multi-use thing. Let's see. So far this box is really good, I think. It's good for the like season also. So I'm just gonna put a little bit on. Ooh, it kind of feels like lip balm in a way. Like it's pretty thick, so that probably will do the job. It's kind of shiny. That'd be nice if you have dry lips. You can use this as like a 2-in-1. It's like a gloss kind of, because like it's kind of shiny. And then you can also put it on your, you know, lips for the moisturizing effect. It doesn't seem like there's any scent to it. All right, the next thing I see, oh, I'm super excited about this. This is Ultra Slim Brow Definer. So I am really trying to find a good brow product. I am actually really enjoying a brow pencil by Cella. A lot of us got a Cella like brow pomade and BoxyCharm in the past, but I didn't love that. I don't think it was the correct color for me. But I was getting my makeup done by a stylist for a wedding, and I ended up purchasing the pencil by Cella, and it's in blonde, and that works really well. So let's see who's this by? It's by B Brow Bar, Brow Definer in Chai, and the full size is $30. This kind of seems like a full size brow product. Let me grab mine and compare. All right, so this is the one I'm currently using. It does have a spoolie at the end, so that does make it appear a little bit bigger. But if you line it up, it's the same size. Like it might even be a little bigger if you take away the spoolie part. So this might be the full size, which is awesome because Birchbox, like I said, is only $10 a month. I paid for it myself, and if this is a $20 product, or how much was it? $30? That's awesome. I can't imagine it being any bigger, so awesome. Birchbox really doesn't do that, so I'm happy with it. I swear Birchbox just keeps getting better. I think it's so worth it. I know like a lot of people don't love it because it's the more sample size things, but like it's really like a good way to try out more luxury brands before splurging, you know? So I think that's what Birchbox is best for. But let's see what this color looks like. So I do like that it's not a sharpener one. You can just roll it up. And I'm okay that it doesn't have a spoolie attached because I have some others. I have one like attached to here, and I have like 2 at least other spoolies. So I'm just gonna put this on here and see. Yeah, look, it kind of like looks, you know, like light browns sometimes have like a greenish look. But I'm so blonde, I'm excited to try this out. I'm gonna do my normal brow next to it, my normal brow pencil. Oh, they actually look very similar. So I'm excited to try it out. This box is definitely a win for me. There's one more item though. All right, so the next thing I see, okay, I feel like I've gotten this before in subscription boxes. I'm not sure if it's the exact same kind, but this is a MAC mascara in Extreme Dimension 3D Black Lash. And that is what it looks like. And the full size of this is $24. And it says, want lashes that are dimensional as you are? Swipe on this comfy carbon black mascara that lengthens, conditions, and defines every lash. All right, so I think I decluttered my other samples I had. So I don't remember, or I just don't really remember what I think about it. So I'm excited to try it out. Especially since I've given so many of my mascaras away in giveaways, because I kind of like ended up collecting them because I was using extensions for a while, not really using mascara, but now I'm back on the mascara train. I do not have falsies on. I want to learn how to use falsies, but I don't have the extensions on, I should say. So I'm excited to try this out, but I swear we've gotten this before in a subscription box. But anyways, I'm okay with it. It's really cute. It's small, but you know, these things I like better for mascaras because mascaras expire so quickly. I think that's great. So Just quick recap, we got the Hairspray, which is a good size. The lip scrub, which I also think is a good size for a lip scrub. Like, it's small, but it'll last a while. What I'm pretty sure is a full-size brow pencil. And then we have this little multi-use Miracle Balm by Mana, and then the mascara. So overall, I think this is a great box. I don't know, I've been really loving my Birchboxes lately. What do you guys think? Did you guys get your boxes yet? Did you get in the same thing? I can't remember what came in the curated box, but there's something, I think I tried some of the products before and that's why I didn't choose it. And also I like the surprise, so yeah, so I'm happy with it. So I'll leave the link below and definitely try it out for $8 only, or gift it, because I think that's such a great deal. But anyways, let's move on to the advent calendars. So, this one looks so beat up. This first one's a 12-piece bath bomb advent calendar by Target. And today is the 8th, so I am going to open that day. And I've kind of just resorted to ripping off the dates, because this is one of those you just like punch through or push through. But it's kind of easier just to grab it. So these are mini bath bombs, super cute, super affordable. Last I checked, this is still available. They always smell really good. This is like a light floral scent kind. I'm not a scent expert, but all I can tell you is good or bad, and this smells good. So I'm happy with that. And then let me grab my other one. Now for my fancier one. So this is a L'Occitane, the luxury advent calendar. It actually has luxury in the name. So let's look for 8. So this rotates 360 degrees, and 8 was super easy to find. So I'm just gonna set this back down. Okay, so the past 3 days we've gotten something from their Immortal lines. This is the Immortal Divine Cream, and this is a really cute container. So I'm excited to try it. Let's just open it and see if there's a scent. A lot of their things are very lightly fragranced, or they smell great. It has a safety seal, that's good. Okay, so this has like a very light fragrance, like almost like it smells like unscented products. You know, they still kind of have a fragrance. But I got a little bit on my fingers and it feels so nice. Like, awesome. So I think this line is supposed to be like anti-aging. That's why it's called Immortal line. So I got some oil drops and I think another moisturizer, and now I have this cream. And this is definitely a thick cream. I can see myself putting this on at night before I go to bed, so I wake up with nice moisturized skin. So yeah, that concludes today's video. Make sure you enter my giveaway if you have not yet. The giveaway video link will be below. And thank you so much for being here and unboxing with me, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye guys.